Hi, this is Dave Redder. This video describes the first project in my series titled Designing and Building Software. The series is an introduction to building software using Visual Studio as the integrated development environment, the IDE, using Windows Forms as the I/O platform, and using C# as the development language. Visual Studio, as it turns out, contains all three of those technologies, and it's actually pretty simple to install, although it might take some time, more than you might think. But it's free. At least the community edition is free. Now, just fair warning that if you're going to use this, you can use it for your own personal projects. You want to read the licensing, but you can use it for your own personal projects, and maybe even some, like a project for a church or something like that at a small level. But if you're ever going to do this professionally and use it to build software that people are going to pay you for, then you need to consider getting Visual Studio, the regular edition or the professional edition, which would be probably where I would jump in that case. But in any case, we can use the community edition here. My purpose is to show you how to use that to learn how to build software. To find it, you simply go to Visual Studio Community Edition. And this link is the one you're looking for. It may or may not be first, but it's usually up in the top 2 or 3. You simply go there, and you'll find that you get to a page that looks like this. This is the link that you want. Click on Download Visual Studio Community Edition. It should start. If it doesn't, as it says there, you'll want to click on that Click Here button, and it'll bring you to this page. You're going to have to find a place to put it. I'm just putting it in a Downloads folder in the main folder for this course. I'll just save it right there. As you can see, then it ends up down here at the bottom of your window, and it doesn't take any time at all to download, although this is simply the installer. It's not all of the code. Click on that. It'll go through this and then pop this up. I'm not going to go any further, but if you want to install it, just click on Continue there, and it should install it with just a few more inputs from you. As it says, we need to set up a few things so you can configure your installation. Go ahead and do that, and when you're done, you'll have to make some decisions based on your computer and your environment. But when you're done, you'll end up with Visual Studio installed on your computer. Once you're done, if you had the icon put to your desktop, you'll see it there somewhere. It looks like this. This is a shortcut to it, but it looks like this, and you can just double click that to get Visual Studio started. So with that, that's all I have right now. We're going to have another video next, which simply tells you how to build a Windows Forms application that doesn't do anything. And then the following video will be to take that do nothing application and make it do something. Thanks for watching. Bye.